Alright, so this is a TRANE water cooler, TRANE. It's being installed in our building. It's going to send the air down the hall through vents with the regular AC that's already in now. I'm just going to give you a quick look at it because stuff like this to me is fairly interesting. Plus there's no storms to cover recently, so see, that goes up there and disperses it off into the other vents. This is your fan system right here. Sends it up and then there. Then you got this part. This is going to be the air intake, and I'm guessing where the water's going to go in and cool as well. See, that goes right through the wall there. We're about to put the screens on right now. This is the screens to it for the filters and whatnot. There's the filters. Yeah, there's some more parts back there. And there's that stuff there. Get a closer look. There's a little motor. They come out to the front here. There's the front of it. Yeah, those screens are going to go right here on the front, and then the filter's right behind it. They just put in these flaps today also. Like, they're just now starting to work on it. Within 2 days, they've gotten what was just a box. Like, they put all this stuff on in 2 days. So they're doing a good job. Anyway, just figured out to look interesting and put it on YouTube. Thanks for watching.